First, check the tools. Golden Home Cabinet is easy to assemble. You only need an electric screwdriver with crosshead, a screwdriver, a mallet, and a knife. Check the material. We are building a B18 cabinet. There should be one cabinet box package, one door package, and one standard drawer hardware package. Use the knife, unpack the boxes. Be careful when dealing with door package. Blade facing up to avoid scratch on surface. Check the items are matching the list with the assembly instruction. Start with the side panels. Screw the cam lock bolts into the pre-drill hole with white plastic insert. Keep the bolt in vertical position. Place the dowel into position 2. If the cabinet has any drawer, the slide should be installed by this step. Position the slide hardware at the pre-drill on side panel. Count the third hole in the second raw on the hardware. Drill the screw in. Be aware of the left and right difference. Find out back panel, bottom panel, and front brace panel. Attach them with side panel according to cam lock bolt and dowel position. Place the back panel with flat edge upwards. The front brace panel is reversible. Keep the cam lock upwards to make the Unify look. After placing all horizontal panels, assemble the other side panel. Use mallet to eliminate gaps. Place the cam lock nut into position. Rotate 90 degrees clockwise with screwdriver. Screw the ABS feet into bottom panel, where the black self-tighten plastic inserts are. Install the front clip on the back of drawer front panel. Find out the drawer box panels to assemble drawer box with metal drawer sides. The drawer box panel is 5/8 of an inch thick, which is a little bit thinner than regular box panels. Align the panel front with metal slots. Fix the bottom with self-tap screws. Slide in drawer back clip into position, then snap back panel into slot and fasten it up with screws. Assemble the box and drawer front together. Slide out the drawer tracks to their full extent. Place the drawer box on the top and push them back until you hear a click. Take the side open door. Install the hinges in pre-drilled holes on back of door panel. Secure in place by locking screws. Align the door with the cabinet. Screw the hinge plates into the pre-drilled holes. Most Golden Home doors are reversible. They could be left or right opening according to design requirements. Place the shelf support into position, then place the shelf on them.